I was sitting in the bed and was wondering, where the heck is Angelina Jolie? Like, for real, where is she? Somebody get the paparazzi. Let me back up a bit. Angelina is one of my favorite actresses, and I get a lot of my acting tips from her. Where does that inspiration bring me? Well, right here in my bedroom. So I came up with this really cool Angelina Jolie inspired eye look. I started off with my foundation. I mixed my MAC foundation with my Fit Me foundation to get that perfect skin tone color for me. Angelina was known for having a very nice blurred out, structured face. So I kind of wanted to emulate this. Even though I have a rounder face, I really wanted to emulate this soft, airbrushed look. If you saw my last video, you'd know it takes me forever to blend out my makeup because I really like to make sure that I get a nice blurred effect with any foundation look that I use. And now I just go in with my LA Girl concealer just to kind of get that bright under eye look that Angelina always had. Now I'm just going in with my Anastasia contour stick, and this is absolutely one of my favorite products if you want a really nice airbrushed, concealed, and structured look. And now I'm going to go in with my Revlon baking powder, or if you like to call it translucent powder. But I want to make sure that I'm getting that nice airbrushed lifted effect because Angelina was always known for having a nice structured but soft glam look. And of course, where would I be without my Milani palette and my Caramel Melange palette? Duh. So I used both colors, any colors from there to just give me this light and bright, air soft look. can't forget that I have to re-contour just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX bronzer just to kind of set it in. If you look at a lot of Angelina's pictures, she always had that light, soft little wing created by any eyeshadow color that's a little bit darker than the colors that you already use. And it gives you like a soft, lifted look without being so harsh like a regular eyeliner. I just use my Eclipse highlighter and I just put it really softly on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, not too much, but just a little bit. Now I'm just going in with my Patrick Ta lip gloss and my favorite lip liner of all with this lip gloss. It gives me a nice, supple, plump look. And that's it. I hope you guys got inspired just like I was inspired. Oh yeah, and make sure you're staying at home so we can get rid of this so we can have a summer. That's it. Bye guys.